All right, hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is April 25th when I'm recording this, and we have had some activity in the markets because, well, of course, they are in chop right now. We've had a pretty big pullback. Now they're trying to stabilize. And what I wanted to do is actually bring you guys over to the Moxie room. This is the actual inside of the Moxie trading room, and I want to show you guys some of the alerts that I've been putting out there for the subscribers. Now, this is yesterday. If you look at this, I also posted this on Twitter, on X. And what I wanted to show you is yesterday, just before the close, I said I would say it's fairly likely that the market will move down from here. I kind of gave a picture screenshot, figured out what I was going to be showing. And then, of course, we had Meta. This was after the market closed, and you can see Meta was down and then down even more. And said, hey, I think this is going to bring the market down. And then this morning, this is our morning alert. And you can see here at the morning before the bell opens, GDP was not that great compared to what analysts expected it to be. And this had the market really gapping down in addition to whatever Meta was contributing to that. So this is how I was describing it. And then also here, I also put this on X, but I had a kind of a loose target of where I was expecting, say, something like the IWM to pull back to. And it went exactly to there. So these are some of the things that I'm doing for the subscribers inside of the Moxie room, how I guide them, how I tell them what I'm thinking, and then how we are navigating the market. And so far, it's been a pretty great week as far as being able to do that. The other thing, if we come down, scroll a little bit further down here. Oh, here we go. I can show you guys this. So I said, hey, the SOXX didn't drop, and it's now green. We might actually end up buying the dip of this market today. And then, sure enough, you come down a little bit further, and I'm giving people more direction. Let's see what I'm looking at right here. And I said, it's a bit of a sideways morning after the initial drop found support. And I said, for the day, I'm leaning towards a slight upside move to get price back to the overhead moving averages. Of course, it doesn't have to, but that's what I was looking for. And then what do we get? Well, come on over here, and you can see that we have moved up like that. So we found our low down here, and we have retraced up to the moving averages and to the moving averages all day today. So there you go. Pretty good guidance as far as what the market has been doing and where I think it's going to be going. And so that is the value that I'm giving the Moxie subscribers. If you guys aren't in, we'd love to see you. When you do join, come say hi. Let me know that you're a new subscriber. We'll take good care of you. All right, guys. So thanks again. And just remember, if you are interested, we are running trials, but come on out and check out the Moxie indicator itself, simplertrading.com/Moxie. We'll see you guys in there. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.